morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Today we are diving into a topic that's both fascinating and admittedly a bit unnerving: the impact of artificial intelligence on our jobs. One of the stark realities we face is job displacement.
I'm sorry for being late.
No problem, AI is becoming increasingly proficient at tasks traditionally performed by humans. Routine jobs, especially those involving repetitive tasks, are at risk. It's crucial to acknowledge that not all jobs are equally susceptible to replacement, but routine, repetitive tasks are particularly vulnerable. From manufacturing to data entry, AI is encroaching on roles that were once considered secure.
Alice, wake up.
What is this?
This is your teacher.
This is what?
All discussing.
Alice, sit down.
Good morning.
What's that do?
What happened, girl?
And its immune fatigue. This unstoppable nature makes it an attractive alternative for tasks that were traditionally carried out by humans. And that's something that the European Union has no specific rules or laws about.